Hello everyone, welcome to Haiwell Classroom. Today, we will introduce Haiwell SCADA download and installation. First of all, we type n.haiwell.com in the browser. We can click on Download to find our software. Click Software. Then we can see the Haiwell Cloud SCADA software. And click to download. Okay, let's wait for it to finish downloading. When the file is downloaded, we can right-click to extract the file. Find the unzipped file and open it. Right-click the file and install it as an administrator. Okay, when this screen appears, we just click Next. Confirming the correct location, click Next and then click Install. Okay, let's click Finish. As you can see, we have installed the Haiwell Cloud SCADA software. This is the way to download and install Haiwell Cloud SCADA. Thank you for watching. Haiwell, leading the new era of IoT.